Hi everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the National Flag of Fiji. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a light blue field and the Union Jack in its canton, the upper quarter of the flag nearest the flagpole. The flag is charged on the fly side by the shield of the country's coat of arms. The shield is detailed and complicated, which makes the flag very difficult to draw accurately from memory. The tricky nature of the Union Jack adds to the flag's complex design. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. The flag was adopted in 1970 after the country gained independence from Britain. The flag is similar to the one previously used before the country gained full independence. The field was changed to light blue while the coat of arms was simplified to just the shield. The light blue stands for the Pacific Ocean. The Union Jack recalls the country's ties to Britain. With regards to the shield, the lion represents the United Kingdom, as does the Red Cross, which is St. George's Cross of England. The quadrants contain important symbols of Fiji's natural resources: sugarcane, coconut palm, and bananas. The shield also has a dove of peace. The dove of peace featured on an old Fijian flag of the 19th century. The flag has some good symbolism that relates to the country, but in our view, there is too much prominent symbolism given over to the former British rulers. Our view is shared by many, and in 2013, the Fijian government set about a plan for a new flag. A competition was held for a new design, but the government abandoned plans to change the flag in 2016. We're going to give the flag some marks for the symbolism associated with Fiji itself, but it loses quite a few marks for the British symbolism, which unfortunately dominates the design. For this principle, the flag gets 4 out of 10. The flag has 7 colors. Those are blue, white, red, yellow, green, brown, and black. Some of these colors have more than one shade. By far the most important of these is the light blue shade of the flag's field, which is the most important color of the flag. All 6 colors of the standard set can be seen on the flag. With contrast, we have an issue with the 2 blue colors. Though one is dark and one is light, having 2 shades of the same color border each other creates a contrast issue. There are also issues with the black outlines of the shield and the various red, green, and brown colors within the outlines. These are all strong colors which contrast poorly with each other. Overall for color, the flag scores 0 out of 10. As previously mentioned, the flag uses the shield of the country's coat of arms. While it was a good idea to remove part of it, the shield that's seen on the flag is still very detailed and is inappropriate for flag use. For this principle, the flag gets 0 out of 10. The flag of Fiji is one of 4 sovereign flags that use the Union Jack in its canton. Here we can see these 4 countries. The Australia and New Zealand flags are older than Fiji's, and both retain the traditional blue colors for their fields. The flag of Tuvalu was adopted in 1978, and it's likely their design was inspired by that of Fiji. So while Fiji was the first country to use a distinctive light blue color for their field, the flag is still too similar to Australia and New Zealand in our view. Of course, we have to point out the flag also resembles the Union Jack itself, the flag of the United Kingdom. Though we only judge the flag against other sovereign flags, the light blue color with the Union Jack is also similar to the flag of the British Air Force. Finally, there are many British overseas territories which have the Union Jack in its canton. When it comes to scoring for this flag, The light blue field and the shield make the flag somewhat distinctive from Australia and New Zealand, and because it's older than the flag of Tuvalu, it won't lose marks for the similarity between them. For this principle, the flag scores 4.5 out of 10. So now we've reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the National Flag of Fiji, we get a final score of 1.7 out of 10.